In this lesson, we're going to be talking about editing images. So we're going to be solving some things, we're going to be mixing everything we learned so far, and we're going to be able to edit, cleaning up some things, changing colors, etc. Okay? To start, so I'm here in my home page. I'm just going to drag an image right here. It's going to open it. Okay. The first thing we're gonna do is to work with image adjustments. That's very important. So you can see here, if you go to adjust, you have several things. You have this ready filters like you could use. So you can just click it and you can see it adds a lot of layers already. You don't even have to think about what it did and it's done, okay? But I don't want to do that. Instead, I want to show you guys how to do something that gives you more control, which are all these things here. For example, to adjust the brightness of an image. I'll just click it. You can see that as I added this, it created a layer on top. And if I do that, so I can just adjust the controls here, I can adjust for the whole screen. Okay, so this is the kind of adjustment that is going to affect the whole picture. Remember that it's not affecting our original picture because it's all in the layer it created. Okay, so that's fun. So that's one way. So if you have a picture that's completely too dark, for example, you could adjust brightness. Sometimes your picture is not sharp enough, so you can adjust contrast like that. Let me quickly show all these other things. So this was brightness. Hue and saturation is going to adjust the colors for the picture. So I could adjust the whole hue for your image. See, it's going from 0, which is where it is normally, to making it more blue, more purple, more red, and here more to green, yellow. Okay, so this is really cool. Again, you can use that for just the picture. Saturation, it's going to make the colors stronger. Okay, so if you go to -100, it's going to be black and white. Here, it's going to make the colors brighter and brighter. And lightness is really about, if you go all the way, it's going to be white. This is going to make it black. You could also use colorize. That is just going to change like a single color for the whole image or for a whole selection. So this one way you can do. Okay, it's really cool thing to play with images here. Exposure is going to make things, it works pretty much like the lightness, but this is closer to what a real picture would be. Okay, so you can make it darker, so getting the darker shades darker and getting the clearer, darker shades clear also. Okay, you can see that here. So what I'm changing the colors. Okay, and you can see with very little work, it gets completely different. Vibrance doesn't change that much. It makes it a little bit more colorful, a little bit like saturation, but less extreme. Okay, you can also adjust saturation here. Color balance, again, it's going to change the tone of the colors. Oh, I forgot to undo this. So I can work between magenta and green, yellow and blue, and cyan and red. Okay, so we can adjust each color there. Finally, black and white. It does pretty much as you would expect. It's going to change your image to black and white, but you can adjust the tone. So this is very good for more artistic pictures. You can get really awesome results with this. And finally, you can add some blur to your image. This is going to, let me cancel that. Black and white, let's see. And I'm having some problems here. Let me reload it. Great. As it reloads, so I'm going to be ending this movie at this. So after we take a look at blur, let me go to it. Here, now it's working. Okay, so you guys can see this is very good. For example, if you want to have like a blurry background for an image that doesn't have that, or if you want to have it like that, for example. So it's very good for effects. Not going to apply that. I could have. All my layers are gone now. That's kind of sad. But anyway, with this video, what I'd like you guys to do is pretty much that. But instead of using, so do all that actually. Play with all of the layers, and then you can hide the layers again. Okay. Yeah, and I'm going to end this video here so I can upload faster. So create all the layers, adjusting each one of these things. So see what effect you can have for your picture. Okay. For the next video, we are going to be solving, manipulating the image a little bit more than that. Okay. See you soon.